Every time you open a drink or a pill bottle, you get the satisfying crack or tear of the product seal. But have you ever wondered why these bottles needed such mechanisms? The story dates back to 1982 in Chicago, Illinois. Mary Kellerman and Adam Janus took a Tylenol on the same day to treat a small cold. Within a few hours, the two passed away. Ironically, when Adam Janus' brother and sister-in-law came to mourn him, they developed headaches and took Tylenol from Adam Janus' bottle as well. They passed away too. Not long after, 3 more incidents of people mysteriously dying after using Tylenol were discovered. What was going on? Well, by late 1982, investigators found that the pills were laced with potassium cyanide. Following the earlier deaths, roughly 270 cases of bottle tampering occurred in Chicago. The culprit was never caught. However, in 1983, Congress passed the Tylenol bill, which made it illegal to tamper. And in 1989, the FDA established guidelines for tamper-proof seals.